Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok and Capcut tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the Wakanda Black Panther video trend using TikTok and Capcut. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this, and don't forget to like this video. So if you want to create these kind of videos where the person is standing with their cat, once they lift the cat and then drop it down, they turn into Black Panther. So let me show you how to create this video trend on TikTok and Capcut. So to create this, you will need TikTok and you'll need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free app from the App Store or your Google Play Store. So go ahead and download that on your phone. Once that's downloaded, open up your TikTok app. Next, tap on search at the top right. Search for Black Panther Capcut. You're looking for this kind of videos where you see Black Panther. So go ahead and tap on that. Now within that video, you're looking for this Capcut try this template. So if you see it, go ahead and tap on it. This will show you a preview of what exactly you're creating. Go ahead and tap on use template in Capcut. This will open up Capcut and will load the template. Tap on use template at the bottom right. Now select a video from your photo library. Then tap on preview. This will now create the video. And as you can see, it transitions itself to the Black Panther. So go ahead and tap on export at the top right. Now here you want to tap on save and share to TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. Now currently there is no sound to it, so go ahead and tap on add sound. And here you want to add the trending sound. Now tap on search. And you're searching for the following: original sound by the user ZHB3950. Tap on search. Now this is the music which you're looking for. So go ahead and tap on that on the tick. Now preview the video using the sound. And as you can see, it matches the video. Once you're happy with it, tap on next at the bottom right. Add your captions and your tags, and then post that video to TikTok. So that is how to create the Black Panther video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.